Today we're going to set up a Roman chair cable system for a booty builder. This is a really unique machine, and if your gym has this, is fantastic. So all we're going to do is we're going to set the pad height just below our hips right here. That's how we know the pads are going to be the right spot. We're basically going to be performing an RDL with the cables down here and really focusing on squeezing that glute. We don't want to arch our back too much when we get to the top because that will do more of that low back area. We are focusing on hinging, pushing our hips into the pads here to squeeze that glute. And here's what it's going to look like. Once you're all set up, okay, I'm going to reach down, grab this cable and lock my armpits as I'm pulling my lats back, pretending that I have some pieces of fruit there and I want to lock those in place. And then I'm going to go down like this and push into the pad through my glutes and hips. I'm not just coming up with my back like a regular back extension. We're doing a glute bias, okay? So let's grab the pad here, come up and then push. And I'm slightly tucking my chin in to keep my back straight so I'm not looking up and arching. So push. When you get here, don't keep going all the way down. That's just going to be doing that more that back stretch. And we're trying to make sure we're focusing on glutes. So I'm keeping that tension here, driving through. Once I'm done, I set the cable back down and I slowly get off the machine. You might be slightly lightheaded, so make sure that you're breathing during the full exercise.